참가도 되디 audio di take the and the counter na so name jana Barbara final time to say bye bye
How was your healing? What was your experience with your healing?
khala tagyo shu se shu and ta ta da wala khamad da khandi chimu chimu indo ko ta do oh my god ta da to sing khandi do morning Tashi Delek. My name is Palden Raja, your favorite YouTuber. And those hello.
Hi, welcome to my office.
Hello, Barbara. How are you?
Oh, it's so wonderful to have you here.
Yeah.
It's so wonderful. Can I give you a tour?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Okay.
So this is the beginning of our office.
Yeah.
Which normally is just work. But
Okay.
now we transform it into a spiritual, wonderful, compassionate office. We're hosting monks from Tibet,
Yeah.
and I would like to show you what we're doing.
Okay, what are we doing here?
So in this one room, a beautiful peace mandala.
Okay.
And then tomorrow will be the dissolution ceremony.
Tomorrow?
Yes, which means that they will nothing lasts forever. So impermanence, they will sweep the sand and disperse them into little bags.
Oh, nice.
Which will be available in my office. So please come by and pick up some beautiful sand from India.
Okay.
And it's been blessed by all the monks.
Okay.
And then if you walk down, we do a little business side of the office.
Wow, you have a very nice office.
Thank you. Thank you. I love my office and I love
Oh.
serving my people. They're wonderful.
Okay.
And then we walk all the way into the office and
Barbara, can you talk about this area?
yes, this area is designated particularly for an Italian because around here in the beginning there were fishermen.
Fishermen.
And they would come and fish. And then they came here to open up restaurants and share on their heritage. So this area, this whole collective area, is called Little Italy. They do festivals for Italians, Columbus Day, and different various. Also, if you walk normally, there's all the little signage has all the famous Italian actors and politicians. So when these signs come down, all the Italian heritage people come back up.
Okay, and Saturday we have a farmer market here.
On Saturday in the square here, walk a little,
Alright.
right in the square by the fountain, there's a beautiful fountain there.
Oh.
On Saturday there is a farmer's market and it's one of the biggest in San Diego and it has everything from jewelry, food, honey, just everything you can possibly need, and of course fresh produce.
Okay, we can walk over there.
Yeah, we can walk there.
Okay. A farmer market chamyam thi do da zola.
Oh yeah, this is just
San Diego ke. Angare shala. Motor yama tires. The bomb roti show the gluten free is that bomb roti pura. Also ke guide last kunjo so ama dikhao do. Ah, mendo kani ninjo den do ta. Do mendo ninjo. Wow.
beautiful flowers.
Which is your favorite store?
I don't come very often. It's a shame. Actually,
Oh.
I don't. You don't live very far. No, I know. I walk down here with the boot. Which way is the coconut?
They're both coconut. This one is almonds and coconut. That one's peanuts.
Do I peanut or almond?
Amen. Kiki tulu ta da. Ki tulu bunga le do nam thamo ki tulu pe ngin jo do da.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Here also.
We're gonna go.
Wow.
Where is?
Here. Very big market.
Yeah.
Ah. It's a famous farmer market,
Yeah.
San Diego.
One of the biggest.
Biggest?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Good.
Whipped cream.
Now is all your okay?
No, you have some.
No,
More?
thank you. Thank
no?
you.
Have some strawberry.
Okay,
Here,
strawberry.
hold this.
Okay.
Be careful.
Wow, you look like a chef.
Okay, you take strawberry. I can't cut it. Take strawberry.
Okay.
you some strawberry?
Delicious. Thank you. How's Barbara? Good? Delicious?
Very good, thank you. Leslie, thank you for coming by. How was your healing? What was your experience with your healing?
Well, it was very calming. I felt they had me visualizing different things and really about, illness leaving my body and things that I wanted to get rid of. So I did that, and that was very, it felt kind of like when you have suitcases and you drop them down because they've been heavy. So it kind of felt like that, and just my body was very relaxed.
And
I feel very calm.
Wow, that's a great analogy. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you coming by and supporting the monks in their temple. It's such a great opportunity to come see their. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See, I did.
No problem.
Okay, very spicy noodle for ST. Thank you. In the building does that. Mix it. Star of India in the that. Oh my God! Tata, to sing kind of.
I have never, and it was so epic.
Marching you by to sing race. Now, do I take a good ship to the up to the sea? Oh, well, get a jade there. Midway Museum. There. Then I told her she take on ready to la. Tata the number do Yama Mal Pejutan Unum Ganyaredo. Sama de was any tourist Yonsa such a big usage. And Kimaki Malakozogi. Sogan and Sangan and Zushado. Song about the day. And that Tadola come with the Kandichimuchim window go tired. Pitch didn't all dress at I guess. Taumare. What did he? Audio did take the raw and the count and associate name Jana. Audio let the shiggy to put a guide for it. What did you lay one target where the Paricio? That did not lose it dress as you told Mare. Not to strategy. Such a dinner do and those touch and Namdugi deshe than Sang Mandela Gabo on the Namdugi Kariche Lugu than Sang Mandela Ondo. They about the audio guide the hold and such a dinner to Shashara. I counted on those names, Tata Deshiga on the shooter. Wow. The post ones are the Parkipio. My papa the Rosa the saying this tire is well, they all shown and degrees at the middle Shendiski. To resonate others. Ah, that the gun dry and has. Tata the dinner can ninja tone to just what a beautiful build. Tata. Chuki long sang sing the wall dish doesn't change the condition. Ala Dalai Kamza Gadito. Oh my God, Tata. Ye pura jamso. 이 체설에 다디 사자디 이 체설에 랍 다라인 다디
Came to this area here, and it's our job to run airlocks.
nomru nangru dinner sirdu ta da kunjo sa na bus sit do shi ade Christmas ke 주싱 상마 따니 치롤레서 스다다 치로 따는 dinner 안 sur 상마라 거기 마켓 주사시라 마켓 춘주는데 penguin 저 주샤 엔다다 가니 기우트 도 세야 포기 호도 때문에 드레스 오 디지털 삼사 다도 치로 텐서도 간이도 따다 디 상마 파킹 리시 포기 상마 투신 춘주는데 니 어디 파크 치시 가서가지 티셔츠 코트 뉴스요 다다 시즌 남아선 데스 업도 인서 남시 장무차도 시라면도 신 남디 슈어스 다디 포이다 엘미도 참사배 끼우드다 공부 잡사도요 야만도라 가서도나 참사배하고도 끼우드다 드리니 무직 참사 해피 크리스마스 키 따다 딩아저기 데사 캄바디 라이트 록 간니 카시 군조스 이 상물 크리스마스 키 잔디 레드다 로치르직 지가 가레죠 슈스시게 로키요 다다 캄보디 록 간디 카시 딩아저기 데사레 칠로 간디 인도 세스다 미드 디나 주라 파르슈 게이디게 앙아저디라 룽다지 파림바 데 해피 크리스마스 키 다디링아저 나로 파티 침보 슈어다 딩아저 캄바레라 칼라 타이오 슈세시 왜 군조스다 디자인 간디세시 시아레시라 로터스 플라워 도세시 근데 칼라 차우서 냐야 네 다들 신도 간디 먹는데 쿠키스 달랍 쿠키스 중에 거다 쿠키스 계신다 쿠키스 계신다 다들 신부시 look delicious
Yes, and then they're there on the table. There are a lot of more, like different pierogies and dumplings.
dumplings
Yeah.
Indian chai Indian tea
Do you guys have dumplings?
yeah lot of dumplings
I mean, right? Yeah, yeah.
So we called
장물 나같이 드시게 당가서 이제 파티 고추 사수 바르바라 enjoy thank you delicious food
Oh, yes, sir. That's why.
Barbara, you can sit on the chair.
breakfast Barbara breakfast
Good morning.
good morning coffee
Will I look beautiful being a billionaire?
Barbara how are you
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
very nice
Yeah, I'm
Very
so
nice.
happy to have you.
yeah thank you
What's
Yeah.
new? How has your stay in San Diego been so far?
it's very good
Very good.
yeah
What's your favorite part?
favorite part is you
Yes, I love it. I love
yeah
it. Well, you know my favorite part?
yeah
All of your smiles.
really
Oh, makes me
Wow.
so happy.
how was our smile nice
Our smiles very nice.
Oscar diboda 네 유용 량 예? 가링 뭐든 량 wow one more oh 슐레 오는 게 가. Good morning, Trashi Delek. Tayan tour kusho to chala pictures asta. Sandigo. Shogin namshi tada. De namshi. Sangma mukpa dore shiketanda. Chizi ketan chaka simshira. Di ngazo ki desa khandi ki udeta. Khada nyama shi ngash dina dera. Adini ya pictures are lai. Shira tharim doya marda din chuzi chik story. Tangele jinda do zol babash tamuro. Ta saja do dini ki ud onjo son khomba jemi troto khojdo da saja do. De sat.
Americans like everything has to be like okay. No, it's okay to be not okay.
Thank you, Geshe.
And this is your just a remembrance to you are supporting all the monks behind here. That coffee that remembers the Cubano.
Barbara, final time to say bye bye. How's going your day with monk?
Our journey with the monks has been so fabulous.
Ah,
So heartbroken they're leaving,
oh,
but they're going to go spread the word to many, many, many more people and enlighten them and show the beauty of the monastery and the Sand Mandala and all the teachings and all
Okay.
the blessings. And I look forward to seeing everybody again.
and interview sure, Rani.
Thank you.
Interview with Barbara.
Oh, he's always interviewed. You guys send me.
Who is the best?
Barbara. Barbara.